Hey guys, at BB Matson here. We're painting today, and we're going to clear coat the 1972 CL350 tank. It is ready to go. I want to seal this baby up. I've also been busy working on the third bike. I'm going to have a black 71 CB in the works here. It's a buddy's bike of mine, and we've got those all cleaned up. We're looking really good, and I've been real busy repainting the tank on the 1970 CB350. Had a little gas leak issue over storage, so ended up having to repaint this tank, and I tell you what, it's going to come out better than the first one, honestly. God, I love that freaking candy gold. It looks great. Really straightforward though today. We're going to hit it with some clear coat, and here's what I'm using. Should have got that dent out. Boy, I'm really kicking myself. Oh well. And here's what we're going to use. Jammin' Clear Coat. Comes highly recommended. It's an acrylic clear coat. I've already tested for any kind of a paint reaction on the underside of the tank. I highly recommend that you always do that. Test your paint to make sure that you don't have any weird chemical reactions. Got this stuff off eBay. Marbles Motors, I think it was. Marble Motors, something like that. I'll put a link in here. I also got the candy gold paint from that site as well. So really, really great resource. You actually need a silver base coat and all of that for that. And they sell the paint to do it, so it's gonna be amazing. So let's clear coat this tank and seal it up for posterity. Yeah, man, I really love the way the stripe job came out on this. It's been a heck of a process, but nothing special here, guys. I mean, we're just gonna spray paint the tank with some Jammin' Clear. Gotta love that name. And it's really important to read the directions on this paint. There are some clear indicators: surface prep, application, 3 to 6 coats, and then dry to the touch in 15 minutes. We're gonna shake it really, really well. Flash time, 5 to 10 minutes. So that means we've got about 10 minutes in between coats. I'm gonna do about 7 minutes. I'm gonna actually time it and go through that. I'm gonna put a good, probably 3 or 4 coats of clear on this, as much as I can get out of this can. And we'll go from there. So I'm excited to see how this does. I'm really glad there wasn't a reaction on the bottom end. So you know how it goes, guys. Shake your paint. This is some potent stuff. I really recommend that you wear a respirator for it. There's my first coat. Timer starts now for 7 minutes, and then we're gonna hit it again. All right, guys, it's been 7 minutes. If you sat your can down, make sure that you shake it back up. We're gonna go for coat 2. Respirator on, because again, this sound Jammin' Clear. Some pretty potent stuff, man. It's really stinking up everything. So I'm going to go ahead and put a little bit hotter coat on in this application. Again, no runs. No runs. No run stop. That's what we want. We don't want any runs in this paint. Slow and steady wins the race. Great too, because it's darkening this color up too. It's great to see. It's a little bit too red. So I'm hoping this clear coat will actually color it just a little bit. Ooh, there I get some streaks. Gotta be careful. I need to just slow my pace down just a little bit with this clear. It'll all come together, but you just need multiple coats, multiple light coats. And again, remember to look at it from multiple angles. Don't miss any spots. Follow the contours of the tank. Don't want any drips. No drips. Done. Done with drips. Alright. Yeah, this is looking great. I'm loving the look of this. No reactions to the paint. I will hit the bottom side once I get this all done on the top. I'm not too worried about it. These tanks are just tricky because you got to kind of follow the contours, and there are definitely some nooks and crannies that you need to be paying attention to. And I find it just works best to just follow the contours of the tank. There we go. I'm going to set my timer for another 7 minutes. And we'll get back at it, guys. Right, guys, round 3. It's been 7 minutes. Shake that can if you sat it down. Let's go hit it again on coat 3 with the Jammin' Clear.
we're getting some really nice stuff happening here. Damn little piece of dirt fell on the tank, which kind of sucks, so I might wait a little while, but I gotta keep going with these coats right now, and I'm telling you, this is the third coat, and it's really starting to come together. The texture is getting really nice and smooth. Once I let it cure for a long time, actually, I'll probably come back and really do a wet sand on the tank, and then this tank is going to be done. So anyway, I got to set my timer because I got another 7 minutes before we can go to coat 4 as directed by the paint. All right. It's inevitable. You're going to have one of these little buggers when you're painting in kind of an unprotected area. You're going to have a little fly land on my clear coat. I'm going to see if I can get this guy off of there. All right, we got it off. Gonna leave a little bit of a mark, but hey, memories for the tank, right? Looks like he pooped right on that damn thing. Yeah, go figure. Got a few more minutes till our next coat. All right, let's do it. Coat 4, as directed. Let's go for it. We'll go a little bit slower on this pass, just to make sure we get some really nice coverage here. Again, follow those contours. Tanks can be kind of tricky.
All right, so there's 4 coats of clear on the tank. I think it looks absolutely beautiful. We're gonna let this dry up. I cannot wait for this to cure up so I can wet sand it. Little update on the candy gold tank. This one's done. I'm gonna let this one sit. Probably be clear coating this thing, I don't know, probably tomorrow. Keep it nice and warm. I gotta get this damn bike back on the road. It's just sitting here because I had to repaint the damn tank, and it's actually pretty damn nice outside. So I'm probably gonna hit this one more time. So I'll give her a good 5 coats, and then it's gonna be good, and then I'm just gonna let her sit. But damn, I'm absolutely loving this. I can't wait to wet sand it. I've actually got another project here I mentioned, this 1971 CB. We're going all black with it. The badges are gonna pop out of it. It's gonna look freaking amazing. I should actually show you the tank. Back down in the shop, here's the black 71 CB 350 tank. We've also got the fork gears. Look at how nice that came out. These are going to be absolutely beautiful. We've also got these sitting right here. Freaking flawless. This bike's going to look sweet, especially when we polish all of that aluminum. I've been busy painting, man. Been real busy painting, but I can't wait to dive into this tank and sand her down, give her a coat of clear. It's going to look freaking amazing. So kind of a painting day. It's been kind of a painting week, actually. Been doing a lot of this stuff. So, all right, back to the 72 CL, because who cares about this stuff? All right, guys, let's go ahead
and put the 5th and final coat on this bad boy. I'm going to try to go a little bit wet on this one. I've used about half of the can, so not too bad. This stuff's got some legs to it. That's great. And just remember, I got to hit everything from the bottom side as well yet. Gonna go nice and steady. Well, getting around this gas tank, that was a challenge and a half. Just to make it all nice and smooth and work really well together. Oops, I some streaks in it. I'm gonna knock the camera over too. But we're gonna keep hitting this. Go a little bit slower. Let's get a nice coat of clear on here. Follow those contours, ladies and gentlemen.
There we have it, guys. 5 coats of clear on it. We're gonna let her sit. And then we're gonna wet sand it, and that thing's gonna look like $1,000,000. All right, just slow and steady, guys. Don't forget to shake that paint. Damn, I love the way those pinstripes came out on this bike. Yeah, we're just keeping busy during the quarantine. That's what we're doing. Hope you guys enjoy the videos. If you do, please thumbs up the video. Also subscribe if you haven't done so already. You can always hit that bell too, because I kind of upload stuff kind of randomly, don't I? Also follow along Instagram and Twitter at BB Matson. I cannot wait to get those badges on. It is gonna look amazing. But right now, I'm just gonna step away and let this thing cure really, really well. See you guys in the next video. I did get a bunch of parts from Common Motor in the mail today. Maybe we'll do an unwrapping of some of that stuff. Talk to you later. See you in the next video.